Today, 26 May 2026, global markets are reacting to geopolitical tensions, especially with US strikes on Iran influencing stocks, bonds, and commodities. European stocks were down while oil prices climbed by 2% due to heightened uncertainty. In currency markets, the Indian rupee hit an all-time low against the dollar, reflecting emerging market stress. Meanwhile, US Treasury yields fell with the 2-year yield slipping 7 basis points, indicating stronger demand for safe haven assets amid Middle East tensions. Key economic events. Brazil's current account deficit in April was larger than expected at 137.55 billion USD versus a forecast of 200 billion USD. This signals potential pressures on the country's balance of payments. Additionally, Spain reported industrial price growth of 8.3% year-over-year in April, reflecting rising cost pressures. In Asia, Taiwan's industrial output surged by 16% year-over-year for April, showcasing robust economic activity driven by strong semiconductor and AI demand, though global demand risks remain. Geopolitical developments. The U.S. political developments. Strike on Iranian missile and naval assets has escalated Middle East tensions, dampening hopes for a peace deal. In Europe, Norway and the EU summoned Russia's chargé d'affaires over threats to diplomats and foreign nationals. India's rupee struggled as geopolitical developments around the Middle East added pressure, further impacting oil import-reliant economies. Major commodities and currency moves. Gold prices fell nearly 1% to $45.56. 79/Oz pressured by a stronger dollar amid fading hopes for a US-Iran peace deal. Similarly, copper prices ticked down as tensions weighed on investor sentiment. Meanwhile, Brent crude futures climbed 2% to $97.22/bbl, driven by Middle East uncertainties after US strikes on Iran. Corporate financial news. UBS's significant increase in Micron's price target to $1,625 from $535 reflects optimism in the semiconductor sector amidst a sharp rebound in demand. Elsewhere, India's Xiaomi announced HK in share buybacks, signaling confidence in its financial position. Meanwhile, Lilly disclosed a $155 billion deal to acquire Carrefour and related firms, enhancing its vaccine development portfolio. Miscellaneous highlights. Emerging market dynamics remained under pressure, as seen in Sri Lanka's surprising 100 basis point policy rate hike to 8.75%, countering inflation and currency depreciation risks. In equities, the Kospi surged 3% on optimism surrounding US-Iran deal progress, illustrating geographical divergences. Meanwhile, regulatory signals in China emphasized shifting AI and cybersecurity controls.